Hey boss, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well, guys. Today is another home remedy. I'm going to share with you a simple home remedy. But before that, if today is your first time coming across this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help someone. Today's remedy is about how to clean your liver, kidney, bladder, and pancreas, right? Is a simple home remedy in which you are going to take to clean all those four organs. When I'm talking about liver is an organ about the size of a football. It sits just under your rib cage on the right side of your abdomen. The liver is essential for digesting food and ridding your body of toxin substances. The kidney are two reddish brown, bean-shaped organs found in vertebrate. They are located on the left and right. Their main job is to cleanse the blood of toxin and transform the waste into urine. The bladder is a hollow organ in the lower pelvis. It has flexible muscular walls that can stretch to hold urine and squeeze to send it out of the body. Yeah, so the bladder's main job is to store urines. And the pancreas is an organ located in the abdomen. It plays an essential role in converting the food we eat into fuel for the body cells. The pancreas has two main functions: an exocrine function that helps in digestion and an endocrine function that regulates blood sugar. So the home remedy I'm going to share with you guys today, in which will help you to clean all those organs, is lemongrass. Yeah, you heard it well, lemongrass. Lemongrass, you are going to take it as a tea. Yeah, we have the first thing I could recommend to you is water. Water is very good when drinking it. It helps clean all those organs. But some people drink water and they don't flush out so oftenly. So the lemongrass tea that you are going to take is safe and healthy herbal drink. It is easy to grow or find at most natural food store. As you saw me taking mine from my backyard, that's how you can also have it in your house, right? Research has shown that lemongrass has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and anti-cancer properties. Lemongrass may also help protect your stomach lining and improve your lipid profile. Many lemongrass studies were done using lemongrass essential oil too. You can also use the oil. Studies suggest that lemongrass tea acts as a diuretic, like dandelion tea. So it is as good as dandelion tea. It encourages urination, which can help clear the liver, kidney, bladder, and pancreas. I am a witness of that. Yeah, as I drink it sometimes, 2 times. Lemongrass tea is also one of the best sleepy time tea. So if you have problem with sleeping, you can also take lemongrass tea in the evening before bed. It will help you release your stress. It became popular because of its freshness and delightful smell. In addition, one of the main benefits of lemongrass is the calming effect it has on your nerves. Guys, try it out. I assure you, the smell alone is amazing. Some research says that drinking lemongrass tea decreases symptoms of thrush in people with HIV/AIDS. Drinking lemongrass tea can have a diuretic effect, which means that it stimulates the kidney to release more urine than usual. Some studies says drinking lemongrass tea increases urine output more than other beverage. I think this is true because really when you drink lemongrass tea and you are in a hurry to go somewhere, just make sure where you are going there is a private place to have yourself released because you will be going to pee all the time. It also helps to accelerate your metabolism and promote weight loss. You know, when you are going to release sometimes to times, I think if you drink it all the time, as the study says, you can also reduce some pound. Besides, it is also a natural diuretic, which means it also helps lose excess water weight from your body. When drinking it, you can add ginger, you can add lemon, you can add anything. You can just add a small teaspoon of honey, or you can drink it without honey. It is your choice, guys. Lemongrass is not used only to make tea, but they have medicinal properties as well. Traditionally consumed as an herbal tea, lemongrass has been recommended by practitioners of traditional medicine for many different ailments. Lemongrass tea is a very refreshing beverage that is rich in vitamin B5, vitamin B6, and vitamin B1, as well as minerals having antioxidant properties that help prevent many diseases. Lemongrass tea contains a substantial number of calories but no fat or cholesterol. So the chief chemical component in lemongrass herb is citral or limonal. Citral also has strong antimicrobial and antifungal properties. And lemongrass also contains other essential oils such as migraine, citronellol, and so on. So lemongrass is used for treating digestive tract spasms, stomach ache, high blood pressure, convulsion, pain, vomiting, cough, archidon, rheumatism, fever, the common cold, and exhaustion. It is also used to kill germs. So to detoxify your body, the citric acid contained in lemongrass is remarkable high, aiding in purify the liver. Consuming lemongrass tea on an empty stomach in the morning assists in getting rid of all waste and toxins accumulated in the liver and thereby toxifies the body completely. Its oil is an effective dandruff treatment, which says in a study that using lemongrass oil for your hair reduces dandruff after 1 week. So when using it, just pour some few drops into your shampoo or conditioner daily and make sure it is massaged into your scalp. And when using it after washing your hair, just mix some drop with some other essential oil like coconut oil or olive oil and so on before using it into your scalp. And the tea is also one-use tea, which means when you use some amount of lemongrass herbs in a certain amount of water, that's it. When you want to repeat the tea to make another tea, you have to renew the lemongrass also. You can also consume it at any time, but the best time is to drink it in the morning before breakfast to purify your body, or in the evening before bed to have a nice and sound sleep. This was the video I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope it is helpful to some of you. So don't forget to subscribe and share to someone in need. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys. It was a pleasure for me to share this with you. If you have any requests, just write it under the comment section. And if you want to chat with me, you can just send me a mail.